This video is brought to you by HASA, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the shrimp from the bottom feeder, and this is a very compact and powerful battery-operated vacuum system. And the shrimp borrows a lot of the design features from the bottom feeder vacuum. It's more compact, of course, and smaller, but it's still packed with a lot of power. And the shrimp is really lightweight. It weighs about 14 pounds. And the shrimp uses a LiFePO₄ or lithium iron phosphate battery. And this is a very stable lithium ion battery. It is rated for 1,500 to 2,000 charges and discharges. And the shrimp features bottom feeder's new magnetic on-off switch. It also comes with this really nice carrying strap, so you can easily carry the shrimp back to your service accounts. And it features stainless steel threads here and brass coated connectors. And the body itself is made of aluminum and it's reinforced with stainless steel. And it features these soft rubber wheels, which makes this cleaner very maneuverable and easy to move in a pool and spa. And it also features these removable upgraded bumper flaps. And these are designed also to stay on the cleaner without falling off. And the shrimp features a 5-inch throat. With a smaller throat, it has more torque, and so you're not going to notice any power drop off between the bottom feeder and the shrimp cleaner. And here's the shrimp compared to the bottom feeder. And I'll do a full comparison video later between the shrimp and bottom feeder. And you can see that the shrimp is definitely smaller than the bottom feeder. So now the bottom feeder makes two different vacuum systems. And you can choose between the standard bottom feeder or the shrimp cleaner. Again, depending on your usage and needs. And when you go to charge it, make sure you turn the switch on. And the shrimp does a great job on the step areas of a pool, and it'll work in as little as 4 inches of water, so this is great for fountains and water features. And this thing is really powerful, and I'll show you the debris that I picked up here. You can see it does a great job with the large leaf debris as well as the smaller particle debris. And that's a look at the shrimp from the bottom feeder. And this would be a great, compact, lightweight battery-operated vacuum system for your pool route. And included with the shrimp is the owner's manual. You also have this battery caution. And it comes with this 120 micron vac bag. And this bag is 22 inches in length. And you have the charger for the shrimp. And it takes about 6 hours to fully charge the shrimp. You have the power cord with this magnetic on-off switch. And you also have a spare power cable without the switch. You have this tool here to remove the propeller. And you have this nice carrying handle here. And these are some of the components to attach the switch to the battery. And it comes with one battery. And again, this is rated for about 2.5 hours of runtime. And it also comes with this small pole section, so you can easily connect the shrimp to your telescoping pool pole. And of course, you have the shrimp vacuum head itself. And assembly is really easy. Going to connect the pole section. Then you want to take the battery pack and slide it onto the pole section. Go ahead and connect it here. You're going to take this part here and you're going to slide it over the power cord onto the switch. And it should slide onto the switch like this. You're going to take this end here. You're going to just put it through here like this onto the switch itself. And now this should easily clamp onto the battery. Then you put this connector onto the top of the battery. And this connector will connect to the head of the shrimp. So to put the handle on, go ahead and take the Velcro off here. You want to slide it underneath here. Bring this around here and just put this on really tight. And the bag is really easy to put on as well. Once you have the bag on over the head of the shrimp, go ahead and pull this here. Once you have it tight, go ahead and just put it in here like this and pull. And that locks the bag on. And that's the shrimp fully assembled. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, The Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.